What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is gonna be kind of short. I came across something that is gonna make my center console a lot better. It's gonna make it look a lot cleaner, and that's something that I was looking for a few days, weeks now, and I finally came across something that will change the look of my center console. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, on my OBS here I have a custom made center console. I made that myself. There's a video about that. So what I'm talking about is the EPICENTER knob and the base remote knob. Those two are just the originals, the factory knobs. One of them is larger than the other, so it doesn't look quite as good. And I was looking for something different, different knobs, and I came across a set of knobs. This came from Amazon, and I think they're gonna look a lot better. I'm gonna replace the stock ones, original ones, with those, and I think it's gonna match. Everything is gonna match a lot better. I will show you what they look like now. I'm gonna take you to the table. It's nothing fancy, nothing crazy, but for sure it's gonna change the look of the center console. Who knows, maybe you are looking for something like that too. And they come in different colors, different finishes, like aluminum, black, gold, different stripes, different patterns. They are so good. I like them, and the ones I chose, I think they go with my center console. I'm gonna take you to the table. I will show you what they look like. Nothing fancy, two knobs, one Allen wrench, but I think it's gonna be so cool to have those installed on my center console. So I'll show you that right now, so let's go. All right, guys, so here they are. These are the knobs I'm talking about. These are top hat knobs with indicator. Okay, so these ones are gonna have like a line to indicate the level. These are, believe it or not, these go on they use these for electric guitars and instruments like amplifiers, guitar amplifiers, but mostly they go on electric guitars. And that's where I got the idea from, and I said I think I can make these work on my center console. So I'm gonna get one. Actually, I'm gonna get everything out. This is the Allen wrench it comes with, and then these are the knobs, guys, two of them. Okay, they look pretty neat, and they are made, the material looks really nice. So here they are, guys. Look at this. And they have an Allen wrench. What is it, set screw on that side? That's how you tighten it up onto whatever whatever remote you want to use it for. And in the front, as you can see, it has like a level line. Like I said, these ones come in different colors and different styles, but I think this is gonna work really well for me. Here they are, both of them. Okay, so that's it. There's nothing crazy about this. What I'm gonna show you now is I'm gonna go to the center console, just in case you haven't seen my center console. I'm gonna show you what I have on there now, and let's go ahead, and after I show you that, I'm gonna go ahead and remove those, and we're gonna put them together so you can see how easy they go on and the big difference that these are gonna make to the center console. So let's go to the truck and start working on it. All right, guys, so a lot of you guys have seen my truck already, and this is my center console here, and this is what I'm talking about. See these two knobs here? This is for my base remote, and this is for my EPICENTER. As you can see, they are two different sizes, two different styles, and I don't like that. So I think with those knobs, this center console is gonna look a lot better. That's the plan anyway. So let's go ahead and get those removed and figure out how we can get the other two mounted here. And yeah, I think by doing that, everything is gonna match a little better. I'm gonna have two of the same size and style knobs, and also it's gonna match with my cup holders and my on and off switches here. Okay, so let's get those off and start working on the new nubs. All right, guys, take a look at those knobs right there. They look pretty good. They are exactly what I was looking for. Since I built this center console, I didn't like the way these knobs look like. Different sizes and they're different styles. So I was looking for something to replace this with, and I finally found those. And to me, they look pretty good. What do you guys think? I think that makes the center console more custom instead of just putting in stock or original knobs like this. That makes it that much better. Take a look from different angles. All right, guys, like I said, this was gonna be a short video, and I hope you guys like what you saw. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm gonna leave the link to those knobs in the comment section below. They're coming from Amazon. Like I said in the beginning of the video, they come in different styles, different colors, different finishes. They're not just aluminum like that. Check them out. Maybe you like to replace your old and ugly knobs for something better than that, better than this. Anyway, enough said. Thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. And I'm gonna be attending Dino's Get Down 2025 here in Glendale in coming November 14th and 15th. So if you guys are around and if you guys see me, if you guys are gonna be attending that show, if you guys see me there, come on over, say hi to me, and I would love to meet you guys. That's it. Until the next one, guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. There's gonna be more. There's a lot more content coming to my channel. All right, peace out and see ya.